books came in, guys. More books. Just the start of it. Got about 300 more books coming in. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chance Vongsa and you're watching Chance Daily Hustle. Today, you guys, we are gonna be putting up the flooring onto that. Then we gotta finish up this post too. We gotta go get new risers, step risers here, because we got 10, we need 12 step risers. 12, yeah, but we're gonna grab a 14 and cut it down to 12. So that way it goes flush up to the top of the mezzanine there. So that's what's happening.
Peeling all that junk thread out already.
What's that?
It's already peeling all that junk thread out. I think it was the nut that stripped and left all its thread in there. There it is right there.
And we got the landing. You know, there's the steps. It's nice, you guys. Beautiful. Look at this. Come up. Here's our landing. Come in. So yeah, we got about 4 feet landing there. Step over here. Show you guys. Right here. Here, zoom out. So yeah, this will be, we will have steel cables for our railings. And it's gonna be 38 inches, I think. Yeah, about 38 inches high here. And so it's gonna look nice. And over here, same thing. We're gonna run our cable. We're gonna have a railing here, solid 2x4. We're gonna do a 2x4 for the top. And then, yeah, about an 1/8 inch steel cables. There's gonna be, I think, 11 or 12 of them. Looking nice, finally. And what I'm gonna do up here, you guys, is I'm gonna foam that all up. As you can see, it's got a little cool breeze coming out. So I'm gonna get that all foamed up so there's no breeze coming in along there. And then I might add a trim just to clean this area up, clean it up nice. And then I've got to get another tin here. This used to be some kind of tubing that ran outside for ventilation back in the days when they heated this shop. And so I got to get something, patch that up. I'm going to put this flag up a little higher and it's going to look nice, you guys. I'm going to have my actually my desk, I think, I'm not sure yet. My desk might be centered here and might have a couch, you know, couch maybe over there, something, sit. You know, I've got, look at this. This is not good. Might, I gotta tape that up because I can feel that thing coming through, you know, some heat. Get some tape on here. Oh man, oh, it is warm. So I got the heat right here, radiant heat. Even though we lost 3 feet going out more that way because of the steps, I'm okay with that. Because before we were gonna run the steps right along that wall. But then again, it's when we come up here, we'll hit our head. There wasn't much space. And so we kept it that way. And it just looks better, and it adds, you guys, when you're down there and looking up here to the mezzanine, it's much better. It just gives it a better look to it instead of just a step running on the side, you know, the staircase running on the side of the wall. So yeah, would have been nice to have another 8 feet out. I don't know, it would have been, but I want to save some space to you guys for down there for the vehicles and stuff, equipment. So it's kind of a mess in here right now, but it's taking form, taking shape. I like it. Love it, love it. See that? Yeah. So yeah, we were at one time, we're gonna run like the staircase coming down this way, this side here, but no, I like it this way. Plus, we can use, you know, on the bottom, we can store a lot of stuff down there on the bottom. Yeah. So can't wait till it's done, guys. So.